Ecwid Dropshipping for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Ecwid and how you can use it to dropship your products. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into it. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to ecwid.com, and now once you're over here, all you have to do is get started. Now you can get started for free by clicking on the get started button over here at the bottom, or you can click on the get started button over here at the top right corner. Whichever one you choose, it's pretty simple. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the get started button. And once we're over here, all we have to do is just simply sign up. Now sign up, all you have to do is enter in your email address, your password, your username, and then just simply click on next to set up your store. And as you can see, there is no payment gate or anything like that. It's completely free. They won't ask you for a credit card or anything like that. You can go ahead and sign up on this amazing website for absolutely free. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign up with Google because I feel like it's the most easiest way possible. It takes just like a single click and you can save quite a lot of time. So after you've signed up, it'll take you over to your control panel where you will basically see everything about your website, basically give you an overview of your entire store. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out this store. So as you can see, this is the store name. It's an online store. I'm just going to go ahead and keep it that way. My country, my currency, click on next, your city you live in, and the postal code, and then just simply click on next. Do you have any experience selling online? I'm just getting started. What type of products will you be selling? Be selling jewelry? And are you setting up a store for someone else? Nope. Just click on next. Do you already have a website? No. So if you don't have a website, you can just go ahead and enter in the domain name of your own choice, or if you have one, you can go ahead and click on yes, and then just simply choose whichever platform that you sell on. So I'm going to click on no for now, and I'm going to just choose test for now. Testing. Finish. And okay, so this domain is already taken. I'm going to go with click on finished once you have entered in your domain name, and as you can see, this is your dashboard, and over here you will basically get all of your overview of your website. So over here you can see we have a to-do list that we can do. So as you can see, we have created an account, we have to set up our website in front, and then we have to add products and services, view the regional services and the delivery services, and set up a payment option as well. After that, we'll get started. So first things first, we need to create a website. So let's go ahead and create a website by clicking on the website settings over here, or over here on the left side you will see all of the options and features that this website offers. So over here underneath sales channels, you will see website. Right underneath overview over here, once you come over here, you can click on design or click on overview, where you can view your website and design your website as well. So for now, I'm going to click on website settings, and it'll take me over to this web page where I'll basically try to edit my own website. So this is their editor over here. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. It's really easy. So this is a blank website right here. You can go ahead and edit anything that you want. So if I click on the header option over here you can edit your site logo. You can add the navigation menu and email, phone numbers, and stuff like that, and you can go ahead and do all of that. So right now, this is your site. This is how it will look like if I was to visit it. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and go back, and I'm gonna go ahead and change the cover real quick. So this is the cover, right? You can go ahead and change the images, choose whichever image you want, or you can delete the image entirely. And in the overview, in the cover, you will have these options. You can go ahead and change it right now. As you can see right now, it says order now. You can go ahead and change that to whatever you like. So I'm going to go ahead and type in subscribe. And once you've done that, down below you will have scroll to site blogs and feature products and stuff like that. So as you can see right now, it's done. As soon as I change that, I'm going to go back and I'm going to go over to header, and I'm going to change out this title, as you can see over here. So for now, I'm going to change this site to hash products. So as you can see, the site name has been changed. And then go back in the design section over here, you can change the background, you can change the site logo, you can add the phone number, the navigation menu, you can even change the search icon, you can change the colors of them as well. Like, everything is pretty simple. So I'm going to add a gradient. So this is it. So I'm going to add a pinkish purple type color over here. Let me just go ahead and brighten that up real quick. As you can see right now, it's changing. So I think that looks pretty nice. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it like that. And then once you've done that, you can go ahead and change the site logo as well, whichever one you want. As you can see, it's pretty easy. And then you have cover. We've already dealt with cover. Then we have the about us section. Over here, you can change the about us to whatever you like. You can add in subtitles. You could change the description as well. And then down below, you have another cover as well. Over here, you can add a tagline. You can add a title, description, whatever one you want. It's very simple. It's really easy. But what I really want to change is this option right here. Over here, as you can see, this is the title. I'm gonna add in the title hash products, but hash products is already over there. I'm gonna say welcome over here. I'm just gonna add welcome actually. That's pretty nice. And I'm gonna say over here the number one website in the world. And yeah, I think that looks pretty good. And then once you have done that, all you have to do is just simply click on publish, and that is basically it. You can go ahead and view your site by clicking on this button over here, and it'll view your site. So as you can see, I know the header looks pretty weird. It's a really weird color. It doesn't blend in with the rest of the website, but you know, I was just showing you how you can basically do it. So now that you have your website done, now what we can do is set up our storefront as well. So let me just reload this website. Maybe it'll change. I'll wait a couple of seconds for it to load. Okay, so as you can see right now, it's 17% clear. Now what we can do is we can add products. Now to add products, it's very simple. All you have to do is come over here onto the left side, and over here you will see you have shipment and picking up services and all that. So what you want to do is come over here at the top into catalogs, right underneath my sales, and in catalogs you will see you have products, category, and gift card. What you want to do is click on products, and in products over here, as you can see, you have all these different products. These are the preloaded products. You can go ahead and disable them if you want to. I'm gonna go ahead and disable all of them, and once I have done that, all I have to do is click on add new product. Now once I click on add new product, over here you will have different angles and different images in general that you can add. So over here you have attributes, you have, you know, main image, different angle, close up, in use, and style. Like those are basically the basic things that you would need. And what you can do next is you can just simply, you know, add in all of the details. So let's just go over to Alibaba real quick, or actually Aliexpress. And in Aliexpress over here, let's just assume that this is the product that we're selling. These are the gloves. So what we need to do now is just simply choose these gloves, and you can just simply download these images, and you can just copy the name and all of the details manually, or the easier way is to go back to your Ecwid store, and underneath at the bottom you will see you have applications, you have apps. Just simply come over here and click on app market, and once you do that, just simply leave the page you're on, and over here you have all these different categories. And what you need to do is just simply click on dropshipping. Once you click on dropshipping, you will have all these dropshipping apps that you can use. Now I highly recommend Spocket. I've used it in the past as well, but as you can see, it's free to $99 per month, but you can use that as well, or you can use this one, which is called Syncy for suppliers. It's free. Let's go ahead and use that one as well. So over here it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just simply install the application, and then you will be able to, you know, automatically go over to different products and just simply copy all of these informations. Like Syncy will do that for you. So in these images, I'm sure I can show you. So over here, as you can see, all these products are being copied from AliExpress and other various websites, and they're being transferred over onto Ecwid catalog, where you have all of your products, and then you can go ahead and change them as well. Or you can use Pocket as well. I've used it in the past, as I've said it. It's very easy, it's very user friendly, but to get this application you have to upgrade your previous account. And speaking of upgrade, I'm sure you're wondering what this application costs, so let's go ahead and take a look at that as well. So if I come over here, as you can see right now, I'm in the free section over here, and I can upload 10 products for as long as possible. I can only sell 10 products, and then if I want to sell more products, I have to upgrade to the venture pack, in which I can upload 100 products. And in the business one, it's $35 per month, and it's annually $29 per month, and you can upload like 2,500 products. And same with the unlimited, it's $99 per month, but if you pay annually, it's $82. And in here you get everything in the business plan, plus all the features included: custom mobile store app, Square Post, POS integrations, priority supports, and stuff like that. So over here, as you can see, the bottom, we compare all of the features together. So you have online store in all of them, you have Facebook shop and venture, you have Instagram shop and venture as well. But if you want to have marketplace and point of sales, you will have to upgrade to business or unlimited. And as you can see over here, you have Facebook advertising on all of them, Google advertising, Pinterest advertising, Snapchat advertising in all of them. But if you want automated marketing, say emails, then you will have to upgrade to business and ultimate, as I said before. Now underneath mobile, you have mobile responsive shop cart in all of them, Android and OS store management application. You won't have that in the free application. You will have to upgrade to venture or business. and then your own branded iOS and Android shopping application, which is only available if you have the annual unlimited plan. So there you go. If you want to have your own application for either an iOS or Android phone, then you can go ahead and choose the unlimited pack over there. So as you can see, we have quite a lot of different applications. What I would suggest is you use the venture one, because in the beginning you won't have a lot of products, but you will have more than like 10 products. I assume you won't have 100 products, but you will get all of these amazing features that you wouldn't be able to get in the free version. Like as you can see over here, you can have an iOS store manager, you will have advertisements, that's for sure, but you will have Facebook shop, Instagram shop, so that you can sell all of your products over there as well. So I highly recommend using the venture one. But if you want to scale more, then you can go ahead and use business or ultimate. So as you can see, it's a pretty amazing website. So that is it for this video. That is how you use Ecwid to dropship your products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.